So going off that, would you say there was a specific moment or pain point that made you realize, hey, we need a dedicated compliance platform or something to manage, the various frameworks that we come across or we're asked to.
Oh no, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
No, no. I mean, obviously I had to find a platform. I wasn't thinking that I need to find a platform. I was thinking that I need to get SOC 2.
Gotcha. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Right? So then in my search, okay, how can I get SOC 2? What are the steps? Who can help me with it? Who are the vendors and so on? So I started looking at the market and all of the different companies that offer that.
Any specific value props or features or things that Scrut did differently that kind of pushed you in our direction versus some of other competitors?
That's an awesome question. So I'll be honest, like the way I see it, this is like table stakes. And like we've been saying, it's essential. And for us, it was just a matter of getting it done in the most convenient and effective way possible without cutting any corners. So we weren't looking to like compromise or anything like that. But really, our goal was because at that point in time, say when I knew I needed to get SOC 2, I had a contract like literally hanging in the balance.
Gotcha.
So I was talking to the company and they were like, oh, you got to have SOC 2. And then I was like, okay, give us like a couple months and we'll have it figured out.
Hmm.
Right. So some of the other companies that I talked to were like, no, it takes 6 months. Some were like this and that. So a lot of them made it seem more complex than I thought it needed to be,
Hmm.
especially because our whole stack was already in the cloud. So everything was already like on Azure and everything we were doing was already, for the most part, like quite well. So we follow best practices in everything we do.
Hmm.
So that was one of the main attractors, I would say. Like you were saying, a thing that was helpful working with your company was that they essentially helped us with the process because it was our first time doing this.
Hmm.
And I don't have like a security background. My background is in product engineering and design. So obviously we needed as much help, like hands-on help as we could get, right? So like having those weekly check-ins or every other week was very helpful because that helped us like, okay, are we on the right track? Are we making the progress we need to be making? Are we like scratching off the items off the to-do list that we need to be scratching off?
Hmm.